Hello, I'm Diego, and today we are going to look at the mysterious comet 31 Atlas. Some call it just ice and dust, other something stranger. Let's see why.
In the vast, silent ocean of space, countless objects drift through the darkness. Some well-known and documented, others shrouded in mystery. But every once in a while, something appears that challenges our understanding of the universe. One such object is 31 Atlas, a name that for many might mean nothing, but behind it lies a story of cosmic intrigue, scientific investigation, and questions that remain unanswered. 31 Atlas is officially cataloged as a comet, a body of ice, dust, and rock that orbits the sun. It belongs to a class of long-period comets, meaning it takes thousands of years to complete just one orbit. Its trajectory suggests it originated from the distant Oort cloud, a spherical shell of icy bodies far beyond the planets. But recent observations have made astronomers and even seasoned skywatchers raise their eyebrows. Something about 31 Atlas is different. The first hint came when amateur astronomers began noticing that the object was far brighter than expected. Comets are known to brighten as they approach the sun. But 31 Atlas was glowing unusually early and intensely, almost as if it was putting on a show. At its peak, it became visible through small backyard telescopes, with a ghostly green-blue tail stretching into the night. Some speculated that it might be breaking apart, releasing vast amounts of gas and dust. Others wondered if it had recently collided with another object, exposing fresh, reflective material. But in online forums and late-night discussions, another theory emerged, one that pushed the conversation beyond conventional science. Could 31 Atlas be artificial? Now let's be clear, there is no hard evidence to suggest that 31 Atlas is anything other than a natural comet. NASA, the European Space Agency, and other observatories classify it as entirely natural. But when the public sees something unexpected in space, the imagination often runs wild. Some have compared it to Oumuamua, the mysterious interstellar object that passed through our solar system in 2017. Oumuamua's unusual shape and acceleration sparked speculation that it might be an alien probe. Could 31 Atlas be a similar case? The most intriguing part of the story comes from the comet's breakup in early 2020. Astronomers observed that 31 Atlas began to fragment into multiple pieces, but the breakup wasn't entirely consistent with what's normally seen in comets. Instead of disintegrating evenly, the fragments appeared to follow slightly unusual paths, as if they had been influenced by something other than just gravity and solar radiation. It was enough to fuel countless YouTube videos, blog posts, and theories ranging from secret space missions to alien technology. Scientists, of course, have more grounded explanations. Comets are fragile. Their icy surfaces can crack under the intense heat of the sun. When pockets of gas suddenly expand, they can cause violent outbursts, splitting the comet into pieces. In the case of 31 Atlas, this seems to be the most likely cause. But here's where the mystery deepens. Even after breaking apart, some pieces of 31 Atlas continued to shine brightly for days, as if refusing to fade. Normally, comet fragments dim quickly, losing their tails and becoming invisible to all but the most powerful telescopes. The persistence of these glowing fragments has led some to wonder, were we witnessing an unusual natural event or something else entirely? Adding fuel to the speculation is the fact that 31 Atlas's orbit doesn't bring it close to Earth often. This means opportunities to study it are rare. Once it drifted away from the inner solar system, it disappeared into the darkness, leaving behind only data, photographs, and questions. The scientific community will tell you there's nothing strange about 31 Atlas, that it's simply another comet behaving in ways we don't yet fully understand. And they're probably right, but history has shown that great discoveries often begin with anomalies, tiny details that don't fit the pattern. Perhaps 31 Atlas is just an icy relic from the dawn of the solar system, or perhaps it's something more. The truth is the universe is vast, and our knowledge is still young. Every object we observe out there could be a messenger from the past, or from somewhere far beyond our reach. As 31 Atlas continues its long journey back into the cold, empty space from which it came, it leaves us with a reminder. Not everything in the sky is fully explained, and sometimes the most ordinary designations, like Comet 31 Atlas, hide the most extraordinary mysteries. What do you think? Was 31 Atlas just an icy traveler meeting its end near the sun, or was it something far stranger? The answer, for now, drifts silently in the darkness,